8 herbs which protect eyes and repair vision. Welcome to Healthline Champions, your go-to YouTube channel for empowering health information and transformative remedies. We are dedicated to championing your health and well-being, bringing you the latest insights, expert interviews, and practical solutions to help you thrive. Whether you're searching for natural remedies, nutritional advice, or tips for a healthy lifestyle, we've got you covered. Today I'm going to tell you about 8 powerful herbs that can protect your eyes and even help repair vision. Stick around to the end because I'll be sharing a little health humor too. But first, let me welcome you to the Healthline Champions YouTube channel. We're all about sharing science-backed ways to boost your health through nutrition. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, let's get into our topic. The top 8 herbs for eye health. Coming in at number 1 is bilberry. Bilberry is related to blueberries and is packed with anthocyanins, plant pigments that act as antioxidants. Studies show bilberry can improve night vision and help with common vision problems like glaucoma. Try bilberry supplements or bilberry jam. You've probably heard about the anti-inflammatory power of this spice. Well, turns out it's great for eye health too. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to help slow the progression of macular degeneration. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric to meals or take a supplement for an extra eye-protecting boost. At number 3 is Ginko biloba. This herb has been used for centuries in Chinese medicine to improve blood flow. Better blood flow means better circulation to the eyes. Research links Ginko to reduced risk of glaucoma and macular degeneration. Try a 120 mg Ginko supplement daily. Coming in halfway at number 4 is lutein. You may know lutein as the yellow pigment found in green leafy veggies like kale and spinach. Lutein is heavily concentrated in the macula of the eyes, where our sharp central vision is located. Studies link higher lutein intake to reduced risk of cataracts and macular degeneration as we age. Shoot for 10 mg daily through your diet or supplements. At number 5 is astaxanthin. This carotenoid antioxidant has been shown to be up to 500 times more powerful than vitamin E and 10 times more powerful than lutein at protecting the eyes. Astaxanthin is thought to reduce eye fatigue from blue light exposure. Try a 4 mg astaxanthin supplement each day. Moving right along, at number 6 is lycopene. You'll find lycopene in watermelon and tomatoes. As an antioxidant, lycopene helps lower oxidative stress on the eyes. Research links higher lycopene intakes to reduced risk of macular degeneration. Eat more tomato-based foods or try a lycopene supplement. Coming in 7th is zinc. Some text goes here. Did you know zinc is crucial for metabolism in the retina? A zinc deficiency can impair vision and immune function in the eyes. Research links zinc to a reduced risk of macular degeneration. Adults should aim for 11 mg daily through food or supplements. And finally, at number 8 is omega-3s. We're talking EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish and fish oil. Omega-3s are anti-inflammatory and may reduce risk of dry eye disease. Studies link omega-3 intake to slower progression of macular degeneration as well. Most adults should aim for 250 to 500 mg EPA plus DHA daily. So, in summary, be sure to get plenty of bilberry, turmeric, ginkgo, lutein, astaxanthin, lycopene, zinc and omega-3s to keep your eyes healthy as you age. Let me know if you have any other questions. Now before you head out, let me leave you with a little health humor. Why can't a bicycle stand on its own? Because it's too tired. Ha! Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below and remember to subscribe to Healthline Champions. Thanks for tuning in and have an eye healthy day. Stay tuned for more updates.